Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Integrity Commission on the defensive, dismissing claims of a rift with its employee Dirk Harrison. Now, commissioners claim there is no issue with the man himself, but they're highlighting disagreements with a report about the sale of Urban Development Corporation UDC lands and the rooms on the Beach Hotel in Oteria Santa Ana to Mexican investors. The commissioners also publicly questioning the validity of some conclusions in Dirk Harrison's report, leading to speculation that all was not well at the Integrity Commission. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks reports.
Since the recent tabling of the Rooms report in Parliament and a release from the Integrity Commission accompanying it, in which commissioners distanced themselves from the findings, reports of a rift involving the former Contractor General Dirk Harrison and the commissioners have surfaced, but at a rare press briefing on Monday, commissioners dismissed those claims.
The Commission has no quarrel with Mr. Harrison. There has been difference of opinions specific to the Rooms report. From the Commission's viewpoint, but this does not amount to a rift or, has been said, a bad blood between the Commission and himself.
But it was pointed out that the Commission had issues with aspects of the report into the sale of the UDC lands and the rooms on the Beach Hotel to Mexican resort operator Puerto Caribe Properties. The sale price was slammed as an insult to the people of Jamaica. Commission Chairman Justice Carl Harrison, however, said the concerns he and other commissioners had were not about the final report that was tabled in Parliament, but instead the draft report which came first.
The language used in the draft report was inflammatory in some areas and was not supported by the evidence. As a matter of interest, Mr. Harris himself made changes to that draft.
He refused to divulge later in questioning what was inflammatory in the draft report, citing provisions in the new integrity law which prevent commissioners from speaking out.
Anyone who commits an offense for breach of this confidentiality clause shall be liable to on summary conviction in a parish court to a fine not exceeding $1 million or to a term of imprisonment not exceeding 1 year.
It is a clause that the commissioners are clearly uncomfortable with and call for changes to be made so they can comment on future reports.
We feel at the moment that we are trapped by the legislation in that it does not allow us to say anything. And at the same time, freedom of the press is such that the media say anything and everything, including falsehoods, which we cannot even try to respond to if we are to disclose matters relating to investigations.
In the past, the Contractor General could comment on investigations he's undertaking. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.